Hi there, welcome to BOGOS, the most powerful Shopify promotion app featuring free gifts, discounts, and bundles. Continuing after the first part of the settings tutorial, in this video, we will look into important features such as clone gift product and gift inventory management. Before we jump into part 2, let's quickly recap what we covered in the first part of the BOGOS settings guide. We started by exploring how to enable or disable the app, check the time zone, and set your preferred language. We also explain the differences between clone product and gift function mechanisms, helping you choose the right one for your store. Finally, in the gift conditions section, we went over how to set rules for adding gifts to the cart, like auto-adding gifts, discounts rules, and exclusion rules. If you missed part 1, be sure to check it out before continuing. Now, let's dive into part 2. First, let's talk about the clone gift product settings. This section is not available with the gift function mechanism, as it's specifically for customizing the format of cloned items. If you make any changes to these settings, it's recommended to toggle the offers off and on again. This ensures that the cloned products are regenerated with the updated settings. Delete gift products after turning off offers. This option automatically deletes cloned gift products from your admin when you deactivate an offer. Keeping this enabled is recommended to ensure the clone mechanism runs smoothly. What is more, with this feature enabled, before deactivating an offer, you should make sure to fulfill all orders with gifts. Once the offer is turned off, the cloned gift products and their product IDs will be deleted, which could affect your fulfillment process if it relies on product IDs. Next, you can enable the compare at price for cloned products. This lets customers see a strike-through price in the cart or cart drawer, helping them understand how much they save. For example, it might look like this: $25 crossed out and replaced with $0. If you're wondering where the $25 comes from, it's simple. BOGOS detects the price of the original product based on how you set up the discount. For example, if you're calculating the discount from the current price, here, it will display the current selling price of the product. On the other hand, if you're calculating the discount from the compare at price, it will display the compare at price of your original product. You can also customize the clone product format, including product SKU. This helps your inventory system correctly identify products and manage stock efficiently. You can leave it blank or leave it in default mode, as BOGOS will duplicate the exact same SKUs for the clone, or add a suffix to the original SKU. Choose a format that works with your inventory system. You can check the SKUs directly in your admin. In this case, I am choosing it to be the same with the original product SKU, and this is how it shows up. Similar to SKUs, you can adjust the format of the product barcode to match your system. This settings also have 3 options for you to choose from, like this. Right below this, change the product title formats of the cloned items here. It all depends on your preferences. After that, the cloned item will look like this in your cart drawer and checkout. Continuing, you should know that cloned items are published on the online store, so customers can check out with them. If you're running promotions on other channels like POS or mobile apps, you can tick the boxes to automatically publish cloned items on those channels as well. In your product admin, they'll appear like this, saving you the hassle of manually publishing them to each channel. Finally, in this section, if you want cloned products to inherit additional details like product type and tags from original products, enable these options. Next, let's talk about one of the most popular features in the BOGOS app: gift inventory management. By default, this is set to none. But if you want the inventory to be accounted for, please select either option in our app's synchronize product functions. Sync clone products quantity with originals automatically. With this option, the stock of the clone will be connected directly to the original product. You can either set it to stop the offer when the inventory value is 0, or continue selling beyond that point. With this option, even when the stock of the gift is a negative number, the offer will still run in your store. The original product would need to be active and available on the online store for the app to connect to its inventory. On the other hand, we can input clone products inventory manually. The stock of the clone will be processed independently from the original product And you would need to enable track quantity from the product admin and insert the stocks to the cloned items. Just like this. This quantity tracking will continue until the stock of the clone product reaches zero. In this case, your original product does not need to be active and available on the online store. That's the end of the second part of the settings tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and exploring the features of BOGOS with me. See you in the final part.